Yo, what's up YouTube fam? So today's video is gonna be one of them life vlog videos that I make every once in a while. So we're here in Orlando. We're about to head to Cocoa Beach. So I'm hanging out with a lot of the Epcot like team member, cast, crew people. If you guys don't know, a lot of the Epcot people, they're actually from another country, and then they get brought in for like a year program where they get paid, and basically they have to work in like their designated countries, like restaurants, and like they work at like the gift shops and stuff like that. So it's like more authentic and stuff like that. So when I came to Orlando, I've been hanging out with them a lot more, and yeah, so I'm waiting for a couple of my French boys to be to come here soon, and then we got like a van shuttle. My German boys are already at the beach area. We're having like a German event, so I'm the designated DD, and yeah, just wait for everybody. Can't wait. It seems like a lot of fun, and I'm like, you know what, let me just do a little quick life vlog. But all right guys, enjoy the video. I got a lot of French kids that are gonna be in my car, so I'm getting my playlist ready. High temperatures you from the sun. Oh, I just happen to be here. Okay, after a whole hour of partying in my car, we are in Cocoa Beach with my French mates.
Yes, we are.
Hello. Yes, we are. I took a little picture of their picture with my little Polaroid. I can hear the Germans a mile away. Got Andy, got the boys right here, the girls right there. I brought the friends. The friends are coming. Oh, and then I put a little picture for Andy. This is the Polaroid I was talking about. My boy Joey.
What up? Somebody performing, bro?
Yes. Taka, 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 taka.
Hoi, hoi, hoi.
What are you doing here, Villa?
Shut the fuck up.
Are you trying to be famous or something?
Jake, my boy. What's up, brother? So Caleb came into the house, and obviously Eric, you already met him, and Linda is here as well. What you gotta say?
Did it good?
Yeah.